Howdy, Paper Army. Now, once you have got your soldered on pieces, the next thing you have to do is protect these soldered pieces so that they don't short out. Okay. So now I got those put together. Now I don't want them to short out. So I take this electrical tape. And now electrical tape, if you just put it on there on its own, it will stay there for a few years, a couple, maybe less. And then it will come off. So to keep that from happening, I'll show you what I do. I just tape that right onto itself. Glue to glue on the tape is much stronger than glue to paper or anything else. So now I've wound this up on here just like that. Then I take this nylon string. Now this string is recycled. I got it from unstringing seed beads and bugle beads for the egg ornaments. And I tied all the little pieces together because it's super strong string. It's really good stuff. And anyway, I tied it all together into one spool. This one right here. And I use it all the time. And it's good stuff. Anytime I get large numbers of seed beads and things at Mud Bay Bead Shop, or Shipwreck, as they call it now. Anyway, I get my beads and stuff at Shipwreck Beads. And the thing about Shipwreck is I've known them since they were Mud Bay Bead Shop down in Olympia in Mud Bay. And that was probably 60 years ago now. Oh, Eddie's on. Anyway, you guys, hold on just a second. Well, Eddie, I'm shooting a video. Can I call you right back? And so, anyway, yeah, I've been buying beads and stuff from them for years. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm just tying that on there. What that will prevent is it will prevent that tape from coming unwound. All right, now we've got this. Okay, and as you can see, it's what I did earlier here to be able to get the lines long enough to do these. Now these lines are long enough to go here to the headlight, which is what I want. And so we have to kind of do some testing here. All right, got that straightened away. And now I'm gonna have to turn the lights out, you guys. But anyway, this is going to go down in here like so. And then I make sure and tuck these wires in. Like right now, this wire needs to be protected, so I should put it right here. And one of the things I can do is you take a piece of this cardstock. It needs to be about that long. And I put a bend in it, just like this. Okay, got that bend in there. All right, now what we've got is another bend right here. Okay, just like that. Just like that. So what you got is you've got something like this. All right, now what this is this is going to lock the these wires into place so they can't move around, they can't get messed up, basically, is what the whole deal is. And I just put a nice amount of glue on everything. I go over here and I check the positioning on that. And I take this and I put it on there just like that. You can't see it. Anyway, I put it on there just like that. Now what that has done is that has locked those in place. They are not ever going to move around. They're not going to come out. The only way you're going to get these off is if you tear this thing apart, and it will destroy it. And I guarantee you, because I know I am the paper engineer. Anyway, what you have got here is a perfect connector between the body and the wires. It's just like if you're wiring a car or anything of the such, a boat, a motorcycle, airplane. You have a wiring harness. That's exactly what this is a wiring harness. And so what I've done is I've just extended the wiring harness so that it will fit everywhere. Now I'm probably going to need to do that right over here, because this has to go all the way around to this side over there. But anyway, that's how things, see, and it didn't hold. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, it did not hold. Well, I'm gonna fix that. I got these little clamps right here. So now what I'm gonna do is put some more glue on there, a good amount, and now I clamp that right on there with clamps. Okay, that's gonna stay there for a while. Okay, so now I need to squirt some glue in there. Yep, just like that. And I need to take one of these other clamps right here, and I need to go up there. Yep, just like that. And there it is. Clamp it. It is clamp it. I think that would be Jed clamp it. But anyway, it's now clamped down in place, so it can dry in the next couple of hours to make sure those do not come loose. And so that's how you build really well. You always build things to last, because if you do, they will last. Another tutorial for the Warhammer. Oh man, that was a mistake. Sorry, Warhammer guys. Sorry, Halo. The Halo Warthog. Take care, Paper Army.